All right, I gotta get away from this thing, this computer. Need a break. Keeping it cool. Should probably do some mods to this thing while it's here. I don't think I've gotten her up to speed yet. I might have to do some beer can shims on the bell technology here. I'm having trouble finding the optimum bell position here. It's not working in my favor. There we go. Okay, here we go through the shop. I'm cutting in between two Sprinter vans here. Cutting through the two vintage trailers, 40-something Curtiss Wright, and then a 1970s Airstream. And cutting through the wood shop through here. Gets a little tight. That's our Makita chop saw, and squeezing by another Mercedes. So if we're counting, it's like 3 Mercedes and 2 Airstreams. This here is an Airstream chassis to an Overlander. The body's actually sitting out back. And this is a fully powder coated frame. And we're working on the suspension and also all the holding tanks and stuff here. So getting that ready for the floor and the body. So there goes another Sprinter van. I lost count. I think we're up to 5 now in the shop. So. Hit a couple of things. Okay, I'm gonna take her outside. Can't get her to break free. Sweet. So we got this in for some servicing. This is a YouTube famous rig. I haven't really taken a very close look at it, but it's a flatbed style camper. Definitely like those. I don't know anything about it other than the Overland Explorer. There's actually a full video you can look up, or we'll link on here. I'm a big fan of the flatbed campers. Kind of curious on, it looks like it's a standard flatbed mount, so there's no torsion system on it. The clamping mechanism is pretty sweet in the boxes. Looks like a Cummins Dodge powertrain. We're upgrading some of the batteries in it for sure, and it looks like David's working on the heating system. So if you want a full tour, check out the video, but it's another day in Reparadise here. Sweet rigs getting fixed. Hey Logan. It has a bell now. It has a bell, yeah.